So since childhood, one game that I'd always loved to play was Tekken 3. But with the advent of new technologies like the Xbox and the PlayStation 5, this game kind of died out. But recently we have found a way to play this game for free, and we wanted to share it with everybody. And we also want to show some cool features available in the game and some controls. So if we go to this website, retrogames.cc, and if we copy this URL, which we will include in the description, then we reach to this place where we can just where the game is available, Tekken 3. You start the game, and I'll just show that it's fully functional, and it has all the features and all the characters, and I'll just show the key controls because that can be a bit confusing. So I'll go full screen. Just wait for it to load. I mean, it usually takes like 30 seconds to load, so should not be too long. Yeah. So now the game has loaded, and for the video we'll just pick like one player. Now if you're playing with your keyboard, to select the player you can either hit A, S, D, which are the controls. So I'll just go with, like, say, the first player for an example, and then the game will start. And now I'll just demo the key controls over here and also include that as a part of the video. So with A we can punch, as you can see. With S we can also punch. With X we can kick, and with Z we can kick. Right, so as you can see. So these are the standard controls. If you press X and S together, right, then you can do a throw. So I go here, X and S. So I'm holding down X now. I go close to when I press S. So it can be a full control. And then same thing if you press Z and A together. Like first you hold down Z, then you go near him and you press A. It will again throw the player. Right, and not only from that, if you keep down S as pressed down and you hit A, then she will try and avoid him rather than fight. So that's the defense. So just to show that again, I'm pressing S and then I press A. So as you can see, she's able to avoid him quite well. And now like you see here again, right, and then jump is just the up arrow and down arrow, and so on. And also if you run towards the player, okay, like if I run towards him and I press a kick, it does some other kinds of function, right? So yeah, so we just wanted to show this game because it's been very fun playing the game. And there are, like, if I just go back to the if I go back to the main menu, team battle, the time attack, survival mode. So I think survival mode is a lot more fun. So let me just show that as well. Yeah, I'll go full screen. Yep, so now it's about to start. So in this we keep on fighting until we can survive. And these are some like key controls that I'll just show. Right, as you can see, I've been playing the game for a while. So yeah, I think that should be